Networking protocol. So, what is a protocol? Let's see. See, this is a network. In this network, you are able to see a computer is transferring some data. So, it passes on the switch, goes to the router, came to the router, and it will reach the destination. This is how the process is. Okay, so this is happening using the protocol. Protocol is nothing but a set of rules to transfer the data from one person to another person. So it will have multiple layers over here, and it passes from layer by layer, and the program will take care of sending the data to the destination like this. You are able to see it here. Automatically in each layer it got some information, it is passed, it is increasing, transferred via the wires, and automatically it is removed, and you will be getting the final data over here. This is how the data will be transferred between the source and the destination. And they got a lot of multiple layers. So application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical layers. The program which is written to data transfer is referred to as networking protocol. So I am trying to send it here. I got the data. TCP is added. It became segment. It moved to the network layer. It got IP. It became packet. It moved to the next layer. So additionally, it's added Ethernet data, MAC data. It was frame, and this becomes zeros and ones. It transferred here. You got the Ethernet data here, removed, and you got the encapsulation. So you got the data received. You're able to see the reverse process is happening, and now you got the data. You get the final data here. This is how your networking protocol is. So a protocol is a set of rules. The part of protocol specifies where on the packet the delivery address needs to be written. If the delivery address is written in the wrong place, the letter cannot be delivered. Internet protocols are a set of rules governing communication inside and among computers on a network. So here is a mild implementation of how the public and local IP address is. You are able to see the data is transferred. Okay, the first data is reached the destination, the green color one, and afterwards we got another data which you are able to see it here. It's reaching another data. It couldn't identify what to do. It's discarded. And if there is some other data which is nowhere related to this network, it won't go. This is how the network data transfer is happening. So the IP address which is exposed to the internet is called a public IP, and the IP address which is available in our computer is called a private IP. To find out the private IP, what you have to do is like go to command prompt. You got the command prompt here, and type ipconfig. You are able to see your IP address, and this is our router IP address. So this computer is connected to this router in a network. Okay, so this is how it will be. Now a protocol will be having the messages. It can be a request and a response message, and it will have the syntax of message types, what fields in messages and how fields are defined, and we got the semantics of the fields, the meaning of information of the field, and the rules for when and how the process send and respond to the messages. These are the informations available in protocol. And if we talk about the main functions of networking protocol, it will take care of compressing the data. The reason is like you are able to see the data is transferred in the format of zeros and ones. Automatically there are a lot of information is added, and it is transferred in the format of zeros and ones, and there is a compression happening. So the data will be moving faster. You are able to see the data is moving faster. Okay, so if you talk about the main functions: compressing the data, deciding how the data to be sent, addressing the data, and deciding how to announce sent and receive data. So this is the main functions of networking protocol. So this is our YouTube channel Wikidiki Code, where you are able to see thousands of projects and technical information. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel and click this bell button. Apart from this, our company is wikidiki.com. It's an online technological portal, an animated portal. Go through our website and you can learn a lot of information. Thanks for watching our video. This is Venkat from wikidiki.com.